Let's see what's on TV tonight.
Hello America, I'm Holly Fair.
And I'm Allie Binga.
And here's tonight's top news.
In Mathville today, it was discovered that a term is an algebraic expression that is a variable or the product or the quotient of numbers or variables.
In other news, polynomials,
A group of unlike terms connected by addition or subtraction,
have teamed up with monomials.
which are one-term polynomials,
They are fighting with binomials
two-term polynomials,
and trinomials.
three-term polynomials,
This just in, both teams are using coefficients.
which are the numerical part of a term.
What ring?
Welcome to Kara's Kitchen. Today we'll be taking questions from our viewers. Hello?
Hello, my burger is too big. Do you think you can help me subtract some toppings?
Yes, let's take a look at our recipe. We'll be subtracting 3x squared plus 2x plus 3 by negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. The first thing we have to do when subtracting polynomials is remember cube, change, change. You keep the first part, then change all the signs after that. Now we have to combine like terms. 3x squared and 2x squared are like terms, 2x and 5x are like terms, and 3 and 7 are like terms. Now all we have to do is add. You add 3x squared and 2x squared with 2x and 5x, and finally 3 and 7. 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. That's 7x. And 3 plus 7 is 10. Let's hope that answered our question from our viewer. Hello?
Hello, my friend and I are making sundaes. Can you please help me add our toppings together to see how many toppings I have to buy?
Absolutely. Let's work out an equation. We'll be adding polynomials. Our equation will be 2x squared plus 5x plus 1 plus, because we're adding, 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. Let's work it out. We have to combine like terms again. 2x squared and 3x squared are like terms. So are 5x and 8x and 1 and 7. Now all we have to do is add them together. 2x squared plus 3x squared plus 5x and 8x, and finally 7 and 1. So they're like 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared, and 8x and 5x is 13x, and 7 plus 8, that's 8. Good cooking.
I'm on his eye. Polynomials are right as I.
Welcome to the Polynomials All Right. You are our next contestants.
Me?
Today we will be testing our ability to multiply polynomials together.
Behind door number 1 is our first equation. Remember to use the FOIL method.
Silly Sally, the FOIL method is what you use to multiply a binomial by a binomial, not what you use to bake a potato. Can I have that?
Oh.
Now show us what you can got. Go. Time's up. Unfortunately, Marissa, you didn't use the FOIL method correctly. Wow, Sally, you did it.
I figured out the FOIL method is the first, outer, inner, and last. So you take the first, which is 7n cubed times 4n squared, plus then the outer, which is 7n cubed times 3, plus the inner, which is 5 times 4n squared, plus the last, which is 5 times 3. So then you will multiply and add them all together, which 7n cubed times 4n squared is 28n, 3 plus 2, the exponents, plus 7n cubed times 3, 21n cubed, plus 5 times 4n squared is 20n squared, plus 5 times 3 is 15. And then you have to add your exponents, so it's 28n, 3 plus 2 is 5 to the 5th power, plus 21n cubed, plus 20n squared, plus 15. That's how I got my answer.
Wow, congratulations, Sally. You have won a new... I quit!
Yes, Canadian Idol.
Hello, I'm Brian Oceancrest, and this is Canadian Idol. Tonight we have a tie in the votes between Laura and Scotty. We'll have to divide polynomials to decide whose this year Canadian Idol is. First, both of you will sing. Then after the nationwide vote, we will divide some polynomials to see who our next Canadian Idol will be.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes,
Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on a soft and slow.
Wow, I can see why it's a tie. Our equation will be 6x to the 4th power over 3x to the 2nd power.
Our equation is 6x to the 4th divided by 3x squared. Whoever's exponent is in the answer is the winner of this year's Canadian Idol. First, we have to divide our coefficients, 6 and 3.
That's the one she has to solve with Daisy.
Then, we have to divide x to the 4 by x squared, and we do that by subtracting the exponents. X, 4 minus 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X, 4 minus 2 is 2. And it looks like Scotty's exponent was 2. Scotty's the winner!
Oh my god, I won!